Relevo is a base coat able to create textured decorations, characterized by varying thicknesses, also high. It permits to obtain multiple decorative effects, to finish and decorate with decorative products of the range Dettagli d'arte. The product is ready to be used. Apply Relevo by stainless steel trowel. Level first the surface, creating a coat able to cover the wrinkles and make the support homogeneous. Add the product wet on wet, applying it randomly, creating plays of volume, not too marked and accumulated unevenly. Once dried, smooth the surface, removing the ridges in excess by stainless steel trowel. Decorate the base coat Relevo with Marco Polo Luxury shade 0918 on the whole surface. Once dried, apply a light and shaded coat on the ridges with Marco Polo Luxury Base Silver. Upon total drying, the characteristic Grès touch effect will be highlighted.